Good morning to everyone. I am Snigdha. I am here to brief about the topic acid rains. The rainwater containing more amount of acids is called as acid rain. It is due to oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. The nitrogen and sulfur oxides dissolve in rainwater and form nitrous acid, nitric acid, sulfurous acid and sulfuric acid. The acids fall to the ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry forms. In the presence of precipitation, they fall to the ground as rain, which is called wet deposition, and absence of precipitate, it falls to the ground as fog, dust or smoke, which is called dry deposition. The following are the equations of acid rain, that the acid reacts with rainwater and comes as the rain. The first equation is dinitroxide reacts with water and forms nitrous acid. Dinitrogen pentoxide reacts with water and forms nitric acid. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water and forms sulfurous acid. Sulfur trioxide reacts with water and forms sulfuric acid. The rainwater may contain these acids in more quantity in industrial areas. Usually, normal rain has pH value between 5 to 5.5, which is slightly acidic, and the pH of acid rain is between 4.2 to 4.4. Some natural causes of acid rains are lightning, volcanic emission, wildfires, etc. The sulfuric and nitrogen oxides are released into air by fossil fuels, power plants, vehicles, and oil refineries are the biggest causes of acid rains. The following are the effects of acid rains. Life of buildings and other constructions will be reduced. Acid rain damages the buildings made up of stones and metals. The glossy nature of Taj Mahal is reduced due to acid rains. The life of aquatic animals is affected. As a result, the entire food web is affected. The fertility of the soil decreases, which results in low agriculture production. Acid rain washes all the nutrients which are required for the growth and survival of plants. The acidity of the drinking water increases, which causes acidity in humans. It causes respiratory issues in animals and humans. Acid rains are harmful for aquatic life and some of the living organisms. We have so far seen the details of acid rain and its harmful effects on animals, plants, and humans. A great way to reduce acid rain is to produce energy without fossil fuels. Instead, people can use renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Renewable energy sources help reduce acid rain because they produce less pollution. Being responsible citizen, one should be aware of the harmful effects acid rain cause and of the industries which give out nitrogen and sulfur wastes. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity.